Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry bari. First, let's prepare the bari, which are savory dumplings. Combine 1 cup of gram flour with a pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of water to create a thick, smooth batter. Stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions and 1 green chili. Heat about 2 cups of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Drop small spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil and fry them until they are golden brown and cooked through, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, we'll create the flavorful curry base. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 1 medium-sized chopped onion until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Cook for 30 seconds. Then, gradually whisk in 2 cups of plain yogurt or buttermilk, ensuring no lumps form. Continue stirring constantly until the mixture comes to a gentle boil and thickens slightly. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the fried bari into the simmering curry base. Make sure all the bari are fully submerged in the delicious sauce. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step allows the bari to soften and absorb all the wonderful, aromatic flavors of the curry, making them incredibly tender and juicy. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. To finish, remove the pot from the heat. Garnish your delicious curry bari generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro leaves. This adds a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve the curry bari hot, alongside fluffy steamed basmati rice or warm, soft flatbread like naan or roti. Taste and adjust any seasoning if needed, perhaps a little more salt or a squeeze of lemon. Enjoy this comforting and hearty homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.